If you're into music, this might be the phone you're looking for. We got our hands on with the new Nubia Music Pro. Let's unbox it and check out its key features that makes it a standout choice for audio enthusiasts, delivering a fun and functional twist to mobile entertainment. Nubia Philippines sent over this special media exclusive box featuring the new Nubia Music Pro. The overall packaging is visually appealing with vibrant colors and a pop art inspired design that perfectly matches its bold, music-centric branding. It consists of a two-piece box set with the main box containing the phone itself, while the second box includes exclusive freebies. Now let's take a look at what's inside the boxes. First up is the Nubia Music Pro box. Upon opening, you'll immediately see the phone unit sitting right on top. Underneath, the accessories are neatly organized in a separate compartment box. Inside of them, you'll find the following: quick start guide and warranty card, SIM ejector tool, clear protective case, screen protector, USB-A to USB-C cable, and a 10-watt charger. Moving on to the second box, once you lift the top cover, you'll notice everything is arranged in its own compartment as well. Inside, we found some exclusive media freebies that come with this special package: a Nubia Music Pro extra case, NFC labels, and a Nubia Rock Bluetooth speakers. What truly stands out with the new Nubia Music Pro is the design of its back panel, and our review unit comes in the eye-catching Melody Wave color variant. It is adorned with a pop art soundwave inspired pattern in vibrant colors and a large circular speaker designed to resemble a classic vinyl record player. Adding to the retro vibe is the AI Melody breathing light shaped like a stylus arm. They are LED lights integrated into the stylish shape accent of the speaker module. It lights up for charging, incoming calls, notifications, and music that flashes in our 7 vibrant colors to add a playful touch to your alerts. The big circular speaker boasts 3 full-range speakers, each powered by a high-power Smart PA to generate a 2.1-channel audio setup that delivers rich, immersive sound and fills the room with high-quality audio. You can also crank up the volume up to 600%, making it perfect for outdoor jams or simply enjoying your favorite tracks at full blast. And when you feel like enjoying your music privately using your wired headphones or earbuds, the DTS-X Ultra on the Nubia Music Pro kicks in to enhance your audio with immersive spatial and 3D surround sound effects. Another unique feature of the Nubia Music Pro is its ability to transform into a Bluetooth loudspeaker. Just connect another phone via Bluetooth to play your music out loud. And on top of that, the FM loudspeaker playback feature lets you enjoy your favorite radio stations without the need for headphones, ideal for casual listening anytime, anywhere. The Touch to Share feature uses NFC to instantly share music between another Nubia Music Pro phone. Camera-wise, the Nubia Music Pro sports a 50-megapixel main camera with a large f1.8 aperture supported by AI camera to enhance your shots. For selfies and video calls, it comes with a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. Here's a few sample shots. Along with that great sound quality, the Nubia Music Pro also features a large 6.7-inch HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate for that smooth scrolling when you play games or watch your favorite music videos with fluid and responsive visuals. For a fun time or even a party vibe, the phone has melody lights that adds excitement by syncing lighting effects that follow the rhythm of your music. Under the hood, the Nubia Music Pro is powered by a Unisoc T7-200 octa-core processor with 128GB of storage and up to 8GB of dynamic RAM. It comes equipped with a large 5000 mAh battery paired with a 10-watt charger, providing enough power to keep you going the whole day. The Nubia Music Pro is more than a smartphone. It's a music-centric companion built for entertainment lovers. With its standout design, powerful 2.1-channel speaker system, LED lighting features, FM loudspeaker playback, and more, it brings a fun twist to everyday mobile use. The new Nubia Music Pro is a great pick for anyone who wants their phone to sound as bold as it looks. And to know more about the Nubia Music Pro and its official price, visit Nubia Philippines social media pages and its official website.